first green is out. The cottonwoods are starting to get leaves. The grey sky turned into just perfect blue sky with some cottony clouds. And now let's dive into the silence of the desert at the foot of the White Mountains. Look in that tree, you can see a hummingbird nest if you look careful. There's this funny sack hanging. Isn't that cool? There's another tree with another one, but harder to see. I can't believe it. Just my second walk and I already have shin splints. So gotta take it easy and ramp up slowly. Can you believe it? I used to run 50 Ks. I used to be in an ultra running world, having fun on all those trails. And now I can't even walk several days in a row without getting shin splints. Sad state. Gotta change it though. Ah, there he is. Remember the bird from Wednesday? I just heard him. Don't see him yet though. There's his nest. Someone in there? Yeah, I can see. the tail of the bird. Someone is watching. Oh! There he is. I'm sorry, birdie. So here's that nest. What are you? There's the second one. Happy couple. Do we have young sons? So they have black tips on their wings, but undercolor is very pretty. Sorry, I can't zoom in. Okay, happy couple. Go tend your eggs or your young'uns. Isn't it gorgeous? Enjoy the silence. They used to have a nest here, but that looks like half fallen down. Sorry, it's right in the sun. Sorry. Look at those wispy clouds. Can't believe it was all grey and cold this morning. I just love being out here. Today it might be a little noisy with the wind, but I just love being out here with the birds and the sagebrush and some other kind of brush. I need to look that up, what that is. Obviously also Russian thistle. Our was a nasty tumbleweed. Let me open the gate while you have a nice view. little channel of water flowing down to Los Angeles. Those buds, they're just waiting to break out into the ultimate green of the desert. Mount Tom is the prominent peak in the center. Right next to Mount Tom on the north side is Pine Creek, and in the Sierra Crest there was a tungsten mine. Tungsten was mined up in there from before the Second World War until I think the 1970s. It is said that the mine is an upside down mine, so they went in on the bottom and worked their way up. It is said that there fits the Empire State Building into the hollowed out mountain. Can you imagine that? It boggles my mind. Now we're looking to the north, changing from Owens Valley to over the ridge. Well, it's not really a ridge, it's the fen that's coming out. Once you get over the fen, then it's called Hamel Valley at the base of the White Mountains. probably need to get a better mic. The birds are singing, but I don't know if the GoPro mic is picking it up. Right now I'm actually walking through, I almost want to call it a cultured field of desertscape. This is one of the sites where Department of Water and Power of the city of Los Angeles is actually experimenting with rehabilitating the desertscape with native plants. The unfortunate problem though is the moment you disturb the desert soil, Russian thistle comes in like a plague. All this brown stuff that you see here on the side, that's Russian thistle, and that came in because the ground was disturbed to plant native plants like the rabbit brush and the sage, and I don't know what else they planted. It's here. It just has to compete with Russian sage. Sorry, Russian thistle, not Russian sage. Russian sage would be great. It's Russian thistle. This is not Russian thistle. This is actually one of the desert plants. I would say it's actually one of the sage plants, the old big ones, which is pretty cool. I love those desert plants. Maybe I'm one of them. I definitely don't need as much water as many other people. Here you can see it, just Russian thistle choking out everything. Doesn't it look beautiful? The white snow on top of the white mountains. It's just so gorgeous. Okay, one more look at the Sierra crest nice fluffy white clouds in the perfect blue sky with some airplanes jetting through. I'm getting to the street and I am gonna say bye bye for today. Thanks for watching.